Welcome to episode 1 of our 3-part series. In this episode, we will first tackle the left hand with the walking bass. A walking bass in music is a bass line that moves in a stepwise motion, typically maintaining a consistent rhythmic pattern, such as quarter notes, half notes, or other variations such as a mixture of the two, providing a smooth rhythmic feel as a steady foundation for the music. In this episode, we will use a dotted half note, quarter note pattern for our walking bass. Let's get started with today's episode. Mastering the walking bass line on its own will allow you to focus more on the right hand melody and chord voicings, as the left hand pattern will become second nature and flow naturally.